Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to post YouTube upload notifications on Discord step by step. Start by clicking on the server where you want the notifications to appear. The server opens and you'll see its channels listed on the left. Click the server name dropdown at the top left to open the server menu. A dropdown appears with several server management options. Select App Directory from the menu. The App Directory page opens. Click into the search bar at the top. Type Notify, and search results appear below, showing available apps. You'll see several notification-related apps in the list. Click on the Notify app from the results to open its details page. Click the Add App button, which opens an authorization modal asking for permissions. This lets Notify send messages and read your server information. Click Authorize, then click Visit Site to open the Notify website. The Notify site loads in a new tab showing the main dashboard. You'll see integration options and setup instructions in the center. Click the Notify button in the center of the page. Click Notify again to authorize the bot with your Discord account. A Discord authorization screen appears. Click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions. This connects your Discord account to the Notify service. You're taken to the Notify dashboard where you can set up integrations. The dashboard shows a server dropdown at the top and integration buttons below. Click the server dropdown and select the server you want to configure. Click the YouTube integration button to set up YouTube notifications. Another Discord authorization screen appears. Click Authorize once more. This gives Notify permission to post notifications in your chosen server. The dashboard reloads showing your available integrations. You'll see YouTube is now active and ready to configure. Click YouTube again to open the integration setup page. Click Create to start configuring your YouTube channel notification. The setup page will let you choose which channel to monitor and where to send alerts. You'll need to enter the YouTube channel URL you want to monitor and select which Discord channel receives the notifications. If notifications stop working, check the Notify dashboard to make sure the integration is still active and authorized. You can set up multiple YouTube channels on the same server by creating additional integrations from the dashboard. To customize the notification message, look for the message template option in the integration settings. And that's how to post YouTube upload notifications on Discord.